Hello, this is Marty Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden. Hopefully this is the first time I'm coming with a clear one out of the backyard. I did one inside, but now we're doing one outside. With the new headphones, thanks Anthony. I love this. And just a quickie. The International Polo Club is having one of their, I guess, their Saturday, Sunday night drink parties. So you can hear the music in the background. I guess that's just to get them a little south so they drink like crazy. I'll try and talk over it. But anyway, this is my Reclinata palm tree, and I'm deciding whether to keep it in here on a regular basis, but it takes up a lot of space, and the future space that it will take, I just do not have. So I'm making a decision. If anybody wants to buy this little puppy, make me an offer I can't refuse, but you'll have to dig it out because I can't dig. All right, now we're just looking at first year. Last 2 years we had seed pods, but this year it seems to be a blessing in seeds. So I don't want to go too close up, but basically there's numerous seeds. I say one bract, there's at least 1, 2, 3, 4 bracts that I could see, and each bract has seed pods, normally in the hundreds for each seed pod. So I think if I don't sell it or don't do anything, I'll cut it down and just donate it to the Solid Waste Authority. So it's been in the garden for almost 20 years. So thank you for giving me a blessing for having this little puppy here. But sometimes you got to move on and grow something different. So sounds like disco music. What are these people, crazy? All right, this is Marty from the Dougherty. Sorry for a little shaking. My right arm still not the same from the accident. All right, that's it. Just a quickie here. Let me just show you what I have here. And here's the base. What I like about it is the clustering. It has the main plant and the other little clusters that sneak out from the side. Some people keep the whole plant and just have the center and cut the rest of the plants out, and other people take the center out and just have the sides. So Ruth in her tropical garden has a huge one. Disney World wanted to transport it, but it would have to do enough enormous damage to the rest of the plants that are in the property, so I just decided to opt out of it. But anyway, let me just go over here so we can see a clearer look. Let me just get up there. There's the old seed pods from last year, and you can see in the background, yeah, see those ones right over there on the right hand side, just above that brown branch. That's an old seed rack, and that's Mother Nature every year rewarding us for these lovely little plants that grow. So I just wanted to say thank you for visiting us. Like I said, let me get a few likes. I'd love to have somebody subscribe. This way, like I say, I'm trying to brag to the grandkids and say, hey, Grandpa's got some people, not the 5 billion people that you follow with. So 1 or 2, I'd be happy. Thank you for stopping by. And like I said, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden, signing off. Please like us, subscribe if you please. Join the crew. If you have any garden questions, I'm all ears. Just the emails are on the blog and everything else. So if you look at this and I take the video here, we'll do a blog on the Reclinata and add this video link to the bottom in addition to putting the link by itself. So thank you for stopping by. And here we go. And let me see, I don't have any Reclinata seedlings around here at the moment, but I know there's some. So thank you for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.